Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AN post login not working. First, make sure that you're entering the correct user ID or mobile number and password. Double check for typos and make sure that the caps lock is turned off. Then, next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent login. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the AN Post app, swipe it away, closing the app completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Temporary glitches may stop the login process. If you forgot your password, use the forgot password option and reset your password and create a new one. Then head over to your app store, search for AN Post and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. That's how you fix the AN Post login not working error. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.